Hi, welcome to another YouTube video with EuroPC, and today I'm going to show you how to install a program. Just a small tutorial for basic users who don't have any experience in installing programs and are wondering how to do that. So today I'm going to show you how to do that, and I'm going to use Foxit's PDF reader. I'm going to show you how to install that. So first of all, you just go to your installer here, which I downloaded, and double click on it, and then this window will come up saying do you want to run it. You just hit run. Now it's just loading up the installer. You get brought to this window where you start off the setup. Just basically give you an introduction here, and then you just hit next. Then you read the software license, and if you're happy with it, accept the agreement. Hit next again. Then some programs come with toolbars, and toolbars can annoy some people. So some people like them. Most people seem to dislike them. But if you don't want a toolbar, then it gives you the option here to have it or not to have it. So you can just check, you can tick the box or you can untick the box, just like this, and then it won't install it. Or if you want to install it, just put the checks back on. I'm just going to leave the toolbar right now. After you're finished with this, you just hit next. It takes you to the next window. And in this window it shows you, or asks you where you want to install the program, where's the directory and folder you want to install it into. And by default it's going to put it into the program files and then into a folder called Foxit software. Or if you're not happy with that, then you can go to browse and you can install it anywhere else that you want. And once you're happy with this, you just hit next. Then it gives you an option of a full installation or a custom installation. So you're going to go for full installation and keep it simple. And here you have some additional options that you can install. You can install a shell extension or an add-in for Firefox, Opera and Safari and Chrome. An add-in basically means that this Foxit reader will work with your browser. So when you're opening up PDFs on the internet, then you'll use Foxit Reader to open up. Once you're happy with these options, you just press next. It takes you to another window where you can untick or tick some of these. By default you can see they're all ticked, and this basically means it'll put an icon. It says create a desktop icon, and that basically means it's going to put a shortcut over here on your desktop, so you can just double click on it and open it up. And this option means add an icon to start menu. It means it's going to add an icon down in your start menu, so you can open up start and then go into it. And here you have an option to create a quick launch icon. And you have an option here to set Foxit Reader as the default PDF viewer. So if you already have something like Adobe or Acrobat on, then you can have Foxit become the default PDF viewer instead of Adobe Acrobat. And also you have this option to show PDF files in browsers, so you can uncheck that and untick it if you want to. You just hit next when you're happy with these options, and it takes you to this window where it asks you if you want to enable safe reading mode. And this is a good idea. It's a good idea to keep this on, so it protects you against malicious JavaScript functions from malicious documents. It'll protect you from any of that bad stuff. So I recommend keeping it on, and just hit next. And then it gives you a quick summary of what you've selected, all the different options, and where you're installing it up here. Once you're happy with that, you just hit install, and the computer takes care of the rest of it and installs the program for you. And you can see there's the desktop icon, so you just double click on this once you've finished the installation. So you just hit finish, and that's the installation finished, and you've successfully completed installing a program into your computer. And sometimes you'll get things to register. I'm not going to register right now, so you just hit not now. And here's the program here, Foxit Reader. And you just double click on it and it opens up. And occasionally some programs, once you've already installed them, will come up with some more options as soon as you install it. So you just hit next and just leave everything as standard and just hit next and then finish. And then that's you completed installing a program. So hopefully you learnt a wee bit more from this video, and you can successfully now go and install programs yourself. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks and goodbye.